Model, 2019 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise needs gearbox repair, no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 171334. MOT, the 9th of July 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Third gear is missing. All of the other gears are fine. You can still drive it as it is. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former